Have you ever wondered if we're close to a real breakthrough in the fight against Alzheimer's disease? Well, some brand new research might be giving us hope, thanks to a very unexpected hero, lithium. Now, you might have heard of lithium before. It's commonly used to treat bipolar disorder. But scientists from Harvard Medical School have just discovered it might play a much bigger role in brain health than anyone realized. So, what did they find? The team analyzed hundreds of samples of brain tissue and blood from people with advanced Alzheimer's, early-stage memory loss, and people with no cognitive issues at all. They were on the hunt for links between metals in the body and dementia risk. Here's the shocker. Of all the metals tested, only lithium showed a clear difference between healthy brains and those affected by Alzheimer's. In fact, lower lithium levels were noticeable even in the earliest stages of memory loss. But why would lithium matter so much? According to the researchers, it turns out that lithium is naturally present in the brain, just like iron and vitamin C. And when its levels drop, trouble seems to start. The team dug deeper, using mice with Alzheimer's-like symptoms for their experiments. When these mice had less lithium in their brains, they developed far more of the protein clumps, called amyloid beta and tau, that are the hallmarks of Alzheimer's. But here's where it gets really exciting. When the scientists gave the mice a special form of lithium called lithium orotate, their memory function bounced back. That's right, small doses of this lithium actually reversed memory loss and improved cognitive function in mice. So, what does this mean for us? Well, it's important to remember that results in mice don't always translate directly to humans. There are still a lot of questions to answer, like why lithium levels drop in the first place, and how this leads to dementia. The next big step is clinical trials in people, but if these results hold up, it could mean a new, simple way to diagnose and maybe even treat Alzheimer's by measuring and maintaining healthy lithium levels in the brain. With dementia cases rising every year, there's never been a more urgent time to find solutions. And thanks to this research, lithium, a mineral hiding in plain sight, just might be the key we've been looking for. So, what do you think? Could something as simple as lithium really help fight Alzheimer's? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science breakthroughs.